guys, we're just going to do a quick recap for yesterday's retention rate.
Turnover rate. So assuming that you have 100 headcount beginning of the month January, and at the end there's no changes, then what is your turnover rate? So let's count. The turnover rate for the quarter is the total number of staff that leave the company or terminate. That's 30. Then divide by the average employees, 25%. So this is just a number, but if you have a year and a month, a day, you can actually form a date. So you convert this tree into a date. That's a date function. Okay. Now, however, in Power Query, you don't need to do that. All you need is just a single click and everything will change. From here, any cell, go to Data tab. And then on the far left-hand side, there is a Get and Transform Data. There is this From Table Range button. So now what you do is, on the My Training Manual, page 12, at the bottom, basically I highlight these two columns. Now what I want to do here is that to fill down. What does it mean is that the Q1, I want to fill out the rest here is also Q1. Once you convert it into this one, your next step is that you can go for Summarize with Pivot Table, which we learned yesterday. So click on that. Summarize with Pivot Table, select, and then we use the existing worksheet, and we click on Location, click here, and then click OK. Ta-da! We have Pivot Table. Now we want to look at the headcounts. Okay, if you step here, you type F13. Then you done this months and quadrants and click OK. All right, it's there. Right, if you done this, type F14. Okay, now with this information, I would like you to find out what is the monthly salary, gross salary, and net salary payout for each month. Okay, once you have downloaded the file, you highlight them, you go to Insert, and you look for this combo chart. So when there is two different type of values on the same timeline, you can use a combo chart. And you are now graduate and go and impact the world, teach your Power Query to others, your colleague, the company next door, and see where I see you. I wish you all the best. God bless you and stay safe, stay resilient.